Hey guys, welcome to my unboxing of the Havit Game Series Professional Gaming Mouse. It's one of those budget gaming mice out there that you can get on anywhere online, Amazon, eBay. Actually, originally I thought this was Havik because this looks like a C, but it's actually a T there, if you can see that. So yeah, it has four DPI settings. The lowest being 800, the highest being 2800 DPI. Has a professional gaming chip, which is always nice, I guess. Oh, good thing about this too is that you can, tune the weight and stuff to your comfort, for your gaming comfort. So yeah, that's cool. Apparently it changes color to whatever DPI setting you have. So that's nice. I wish that you could actually have the setting to change to whatever color you like, but I don't think that's the case with this. So yeah, you could read that on your own, the specifications. I don't think anybody cares about that except for the DPI and so on, maybe the resolution too. New! So let's take a look around the box. This is the front. So sides are obvious. Top, high sensitivity. That sounds cool, I guess. It's not in some cases. Alright, so the arrow says this way, so we shall go this way. Ooh. I must say that the quality is quite non-premium, but it still aspires to be, which is nice. Enjoy what I have. Yes, I will enjoy what I have. Ooh. It's pretty nice. It's just, you can feel that it's a cheap box, that's all. I'm not complaining, this is cool a while away. So yeah. Ooh. Thanks for choosing Havit. Or was it Havit? Like Khajit? I don't know. Whatever cares about pronunciation. So yeah, let's get on with this. Foam. Ooh. This looks cool. Thanks for choosing Havit. Aha! So yes, got that. Put that aside for now. Yeah. Whoever reads this, don't know. More manuals. Okay, so this probably tells you how to change the weights and stuff, so I probably might need that in the future. So let's take this out from here. There we go. And this as well. So yeah, actually I forgot about this, but the cord is actually nylon or cloth, which is nice. I was looking forward to that. I kind of forgot that it had this, so that's good. Apparently it comes with a Velcro wrapping thingy, so in case you need to travel with it. Handy to keep the cords in order, so that's nice. Okay, let's see here. Professional gaming mouse. They're really stressing on that professional gaming mouse. Magic Eagle. This is Havit series by Magic Eagle. Okay. Quality is pretty nice. It feels nice and solid. It's very ergonomic, I must say. The weights are really nice too. So apparently, it comes with the weights already in there. So yes, they are in there. Okay. So I'm just gonna. Okay, I've got this under control, I swear. So they actually are 6 weights. They kind of look like, cast iron. Probably are cast iron. So yeah, I think that's a pretty nice addition. You just put in your weights. Apparently, these aren't perfect squares, they're somewhat rectangular. So if you want to put them in, you have to get them, well, if you want them to fit properly, they have to be, oriented properly, otherwise it's going to be hard to get in. And that's a problem for me a little bit. I don't know, I guess I think if you want to do a quick change, which I guess if you have it set, you shouldn't really have to worry about it after that, but maybe you change your mind and you want to get it done quickly. Actually, it's not so bad once you get the hang of, you know, well, oh, I don't have time for that. Yeah, shape shouldn't be too much of a problem. So yeah, it is a pretty aesthetically pleasing mouse. It feels really good in the hand. It's very, with all the weights, it's very premium feeling. The click is pretty nice, travels pretty nicely, and it's pretty satisfying for the main buttons. But for these secondary buttons here, they're not as satisfying. It feels very cheap. Travel is, there's no, you know, there's not enough feedback that I would like. The flywheel as well, it feels very, very cheap, like plasticky and cheap. It's rubbery, but it feels plasticky and cheap when you scroll and click down. But yeah, it looks nice. I'm pretty pleased with it as a temporary mouse until I could, you know, do my comparisons for my other mice and have one, a more premium mouse, I mean. Okay, so yes, here we go. Initially when I plugged this in, it came on automatically with the blue setting, which is the 1200 DPI, but with the lighting off, this is the 800 DPI, so we're going on to 1200 now, which is the blue breathing cycle. As you can see, it looks really cool. Well, I think personally it looks really cool. The 2000 DPI, which is the red, which in my opinion looks the best. And finally 2800 DPI, which is the purple. Personally, I really wish that we could have actual control over the colors of the LED setting regardless of the DPI, but I guess you're gonna have to spend a lot more money for that on a more premium mouse, but I guess you pay for what you get, and yeah. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope, you know, maybe seeing an unboxing helps you with your decisions and getting a new mouse. But obviously this is a budget mouse, and maybe you could use it as a replacement, a temporary replacement, until you get, you know, time to figure out which gaming mice you might want. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up.